You don't have a willpower problem. You have a dopamine loop problem. Here is why your drive vanishes every 72 hours. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today we are diving deep into the psychology of drive and why most people fail to stay motivated every single day. I'm going to show you the 2026 framework for permanent drive so you can stop the cycle of burnout and start hitting your goals. Whether you're scaling your portfolio in the TX ecosystem or building a business, the science of execution is the same. The 3-day crash cycle. Most people start a new habit with a massive spike of dopamine. You feel invincible on day 1. By day 3, the novelty wears off, and your brain demands a higher reward to perform the same task. This is where most aspiring investors quit. They mistake a biological dip for a lack of passion. To break this, we need to shift from motivation to systems. The 2026 Science of Permanent Drive. The secret for 2026 is micro wins. Instead of focusing on the end goal, we anchor our drive to the process. In the world of DeFi, you don't just look at the final profit, you track the daily activity and the logic of the trade. Apply this to your life. Create a checklist of non-negotiable wins that take less than 10 minutes. This keeps the dopamine flowing consistently, rather than in one giant, unsustainable burst. Environment design versus willpower. Willpower is a finite resource. If you rely on it to stay motivated, you've already lost. You need to engineer your environment. If you want to study the TX ecosystem, put your research tabs open before you go to sleep. Remove the friction between you and the task. The less decision energy you use, the more drive you retain. Check out coherencedaddy.com for more on how to align your mental state with your physical environment. The identity shift. Stop saying, I am trying to stay motivated. Start saying, I am the type of person who does this every day. When you shift from a goal-based identity to a process-based identity, the 3-day crash disappears. Whether you are navigating the complexities of DeFi or fitness, the identity of a consistent performer is the ultimate cheat code. Consistency isn't about intensity. It's about the refusal to break the chain. Understand the 3-day dopamine crash to stop blaming yourself. Implement micro wins to keep your drive steady. Design your environment to remove friction and shift your identity. Motivation gets you started, but systems keep you going. Build the system, and the results will follow. If this helped you rewire your brain, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if you're committing to your goals for the rest of 2026. Comment systems below if you're done relying on willpower alone.